Hey guys, welcome to Big Basket YouTube channel. My name is Frankie, and since we Indians love looking glowing and glamorous in weddings, I have created this gorgeous glam look which will definitely make you stand out in a crowd. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm starting by defining my brows using eyebrow pencil, focusing on sparse areas with light feathery strokes in my natural hair direction. I am brushing through my brows using a spoolie side to soften any harsh lines. Now I'm applying an eyeshadow primer across my entire eyelid up to my brow bone and begin my eye makeup by applying a soft light brown color above my crease line and blending upwards and outwards using small circular motions. To deepen the look, I am applying a darker brown color right below where I placed the first shade and making sure any harsh edges are blended out. Here comes the hardest part of the tutorial, but I'm sure you can do it. To create a sharp cut, I'm using concealer and an angled brush and placing the concealer on the inner half of my lid, working my way out towards the tail of my brows. Now I'm taking a shimmery pale gold color and applying it along my brow bone to give my face a lifted look. Now I'm carefully lining the cut crease using a metallic eyeliner. I am applying liquid eyeliner, dragging it across my lash line and angling upwards to create a perfect cat eye. To brighten the look, I am applying a champagne gold eyeshadow on the tear ducts and inner corner and defining it using a micro liner for a sharp look. Apply a coat of mascara and let's move on to the base makeup. I am applying an illuminating moisturizer to hydrate my skin and give a glowing base. Next, I am applying a smoothing primer on my T-zone to blur out any pores and create a smooth base. To achieve medium to full coverage, I am applying stick foundation directly to my face and blending upwards using a foundation brush in a dabbing motion. Work your way from the T-zone towards the outer edges of your face for a flawless finish. Next, I'm applying a concealer on my under eyes and other areas I want to highlight and blend using a concealer brush in a dabbing motion. Make sure that the concealer has blended fully with the foundation and there are no harsh lines. To bring some depth and dimension to my face, I'm applying the contour stick on the hollows of my cheekbones, down the side of my nose and along my hairline. I am gently blending the edges, working section by section with an angled blending brush. I am again going over with the blending brush to soften any edges because contour should be subtle. Now I'm applying blusher stick to the apples of my cheeks in a sweeping upward motion. I am blending upward along the cheekbones to add more depth and to avoid looking patchy. Now I'm setting my under eyes and my base makeup using pressed translucent powder, lightly dusting it on my face with a fluffy brush. Using a pencil brush, I am adding dark brown eyeshadow along my lower lash line, starting from the outside corner and working my way to the inner corner. To give extra glow and radiance to my skin, I am highlighting my face by applying highlighter to the high points of my face using a precise brush and blending it outwards. Finally, I'm setting my base makeup with the dewy setting mist for a fresh and dewy look. Now I'm adding mascara to my lower lash line to give a wide-eyed doll-like look. For my lips, I'm applying a beautiful pinky nude color and topping it up with a gloss in the center for a fuller lip look. You can also add false lashes to intensify your makeup. Finally, I'm adding jewelry and some final touches to my hair, and here is the complete look. You can get all the products I used from the beauty store by Big Basket. I will leave links to all the products in the description box below. For more such videos, subscribe to Big Basket YouTube channel or visit us on blog.bigbasket.com. I hope this video was helpful. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and until next time, bye.